what's up, guys? I'm back again, and yeah, I'm just gonna talk along the way, okay? I'm just gonna talk along the way. I know my computer audio is off, but so yeah, I'm just gonna be talking about it. Well, let's get to it, because I know it's gonna cut off early. So the dunks are pretty bad in this game, but I'm not sure about that. You might fix the creator might fix the game. You can still test it, like I said. I want you to test it and see if it's good. And calm it down and see if it's like good, bad, or whatever. It's gonna cut off, so yeah. The jumpers are bad also, so I mean, yeah. And that's all I have to say. Well, bye guys. Make sure to subscribe, like the video, and yeah, I don't know what to say. Well, bye guys.